All right, well, today wasn't too bad in the afternoon for us. We saw those temperatures yet again make their way into the 30s, and as we head into the evening, we are expecting more snow showers to pop up for us, and there's not going to be a huge amount. We're going to be watching out for maybe amounts around 1 to 2 inches, if that, but it gets out of here quickly as we go into early tomorrow morning, and we'll see more of the sunshine on its way back into the region by tomorrow evening. But here's your 24-hour temperature change: 5 degrees warmer in Marquette, 6 degrees warmer in Iron Mountain, and now we are watching out for the snow. Here it is right here, working its way through Minnesota and now into Wisconsin, and we'll see more of it as we head into the evening for the region. But it does get out of here quickly. Not expecting a big cool off behind it, if anything at all, and we'll see temperatures make their way into the 40s by next work week, and some of us even reaching the 50s as we get closer to Tuesday. But here's a look at your current conditions at 32 degrees in Marquette with mostly sunny skies. It has been a pleasant way to end off the work week. Lower 30s in Marquette. As you head farther off to the west, you'll notice more of the same numbers at 33 in Ontonagon, barely in the 30s in Houghton at 30 degrees, 33 in Lawrence, and down into Florence and Menominee at 32. Eastward, numbers right around the lower 30s in Munising and Manistee at 30 degrees in St. Ignace, 34 down in Escanaba and Ishpeming, currently at 32. Now our winds are coming in from the southwest at 9 in Iron Mountain, 12 currently in Escanaba, and at 4 in Munising. And across the state, temperatures trying to warm their way back up. Not really seeing so much of it, but we are seeing more of those 30s across the region. And for your current wind chills, they're not bad for us in the 20s as you go across the UP and also a little farther south in the state. Here's a look at what we'll be talking about as we head into the evening. The weather, it looks to be a bit snowy for us as we head into the evening. Not too much, but still enough to get some on the roadways. Just be careful if you're going to be driving out there. Tomorrow looks to be mild as we'll see more of those clouds as we head on into the evening. And then we'll watch out for more of the warm-up as we go into next week, and especially during the middle portions of the week. But our setup right now is featuring this system that we'll be keeping our eyes on as it dips towards south and to the east, providing that snowfall for mostly Wisconsin, probably some of the heavier snowfall showers, but for us, we'll get in on some of the action. Behind it will be more this milder air that will eventually arrive as we go into Sunday. Tomorrow, though, the system should be off to our south, going through southern Michigan as they have been hit over the past week, but for us, we look to be high and dry after the morning flakes that we'll have. Your Futurecast model on into the night, seeing those snow showers work their way eastward. Here it is, maybe a slight chance of flakes during the morning, but then afterwards we'll get some of the sun to come back into the region. Tomorrow night looks to be quiet for us, but as we go into next week, Monday and even as we head into Tuesday, you'll see some moisture beginning to rise northward. It is not just snow, but we're going to be watching out for rain as it comes northward with temperatures well above that freezing mark. So you'll be able to put away those heavy jackets as we go into next week. But for tonight, you might need them. Temperatures dropping down into the lower 20s. A snowy evening with milder conditions. Winds out of the south between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Heading on into Saturday, the snow will end early. Winds out of the north between 5 to 15 miles per hour. Your highs sitting in the lower 30s as you get into Lawrence at 32. 34 heading into Ontonagon, upper 30s in Crystal Falls and in Iron Mountain, 30s as you head into Escanaba and Manistee. Munising topping off at 33 degrees, and Marquette, well, we'll top off at 33. Your forecast over the next few days: 30s on Saturday with that light snow during the morning. Sunday will top off at 40 degrees, and then watch out for Monday, all the way up to 47. But guess what? That's not even the warmest day for us. Tuesday will top off at 51 before eventually seeing those numbers begin to fall back off as we get into next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But even after the cool-off comes, we're not expecting a very cold air mass to be in place. You'll notice only those upper 30s and lower 40s as we head into the mid and latter portions of next week. So yes, a cool off is coming, but the warm up before it is going to be nice, and the cool off afterwards is not going to be bad at all.